Good morning, hotties. Hello, how are you? I hope you're doing well. I already did kind of some of my makeup. I'm gonna be doing my hair right now. I don't know what I'm feeling. I think kind of pigtails. I've been doing them recently and I feel like I look like a little cutie, right? I don't know. Today is Monday, so I want to be really productive today. So that's why I wanted to vlog. I know I kind of do a lot of vlogs, but I don't know. I think it's so fun. Also, in like the shots before this, like I just got a new camera. I got a little GoPro action. I just love that look. So I just wanted to use it today and it was very exciting. Whenever I do hairstyles like this, I'm always like, well, the back, hopefully, I think it's straight. It's like none of my business though. Oh. Who's gonna be seeing the back of my head today? I don't think anyone, because I don't know if I plan on even going out today. Okay, I have a good feeling about this one. I think it's good enough. It's not great. No one look there. Okay, I kind of look like an egghead, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of volume right here by pulling it out a bit. I think just leaving it like this looks a little bit boring, so I'm gonna put in some ribbons. I love putting little bows in my hair, and today I have this Dior one. It's white and gold, which I think will match like white, and like yellow is kind of gold. Super fancy though, right? No, I just got it in like a little gift box thing, and I just kept the ribbon on there. And now I'm using it in my hair. Okay, so I just tried to film like a little fit check in my mirror and then I realized that it's filthy. So don't mind me while I just... Okay, so this is the fit for the day. I'm wearing kind of like a jersey inspired t-shirt and like just some baggy pants because I want to be comfortable, but I also think it looks nice together, right? She's kind of sporty, even though y'all know I'm not sporty, athletic, or particularly active in any way. That's fine. I can pretend to be. Not to toot my own horn or anything, but don't I kind of look like a New Jeans member? Maybe, maybe not. Kind of hype me up if you have to lie to me. Also, I just learned the hype boy dance. It's so fun. I love it. Am I basically just like the sixth member right now? Yeah, we have two Vietnamese queens on there. I feel like my makeup is missing a little bit of something because I feel like I want to incorporate blue into it. So I'm going to be using this AF94 gel liner. It's a blue color. Hey, excuse me. I'm just gonna put it in my waterline. AF94 is actually the sponsor of this YouTube video, so thank you so much. If you didn't know, AF94 is a makeup brand that the musician Halsey founded. The makeup line is 90s inspired and it was built for creativity, confidence, and experimentation. Just, you know, having fun with your makeup. I personally love AF94 because everything is either $10 or under, so the price point I would say is very accessible. And it is cruelty-free and vegan. As you can see, the liner really adds that little pop that I feel like my outfit really needed, and I think it's just super fun. And then I'm just gonna finish my face off with the AF94 Plead the Fifth 5-in-1 Face Mist. It honestly feels really good and refreshing after. AF94 is also now available at walmart.com or at Walmart stores, so you can go check it out. I went to my local Walmart and saw a lot of products there. Very exciting. Thank you so much, AF94, for sponsoring this video. I really love the brand. And yeah, if you guys try it, let me know. And let's get on to my day. I'm really hungry right now, so I think I'm gonna make some food.
I hit a peak. What you doing right now is not for me. Trouble with my sleep. Gonna ease up before I dive deep. Never should've felt.
So we're back at my desk. I'm gonna do some work, but first I'm going to write everything down in my planner. I can't be one of those people that can just like keep it in your brain. I don't know. It just stresses me out. So I just like writing it down. I also love this pen that I have too. I'm on my period, so I feel really tired and drained and I have a headache, so I'm gonna try to drink some matcha right now. Maybe that'll make me feel better. I don't know. This is the matcha that I use, and I kind of like it tasting like really flavorful, so I put 3 spoons in. I've been working for a couple hours and I thought I'd take a little break. I know there wasn't too much footage, it's just me on my computer. So yeah, trust me, I'm trying to be productive today, even though I'm feeling a little icky. So yeah, I just wanted to take this time to show you how the apartment's looking right now. It is almost Christmas time, it's still November. It's fine, I already decorated. It's okay. This is the first time I've actually spent kind of a lot of money on Christmas decor, and I was like, well, if I'm gonna spend this money, I want to see it for as long as possible. So I decorated it as soon as I could. But first things first, this is what the couch looks like, and it's not very festive. I mean, this one kind of because of the green, but now we got this new pillow yesterday and we think it's perfect. Oh, love it. Kind of festive, but it's not too much, right? I did not know that these 2 colors would be so matchy, but it's already bought. The tag is ripped. We'll deal with it. So one of the things we did right here was hang up these gold stars as a garland. I think it looks really nice. I actually kind of like it a lot. Maybe we'll keep it year round. Another Christmas thing that we wanted to do was have a ribbon be like here on the door, but it doesn't really stick that well. But oh my gosh, our apartment's like a little present. And then we replaced the Halloween one with this Christmas plaid one. Throughout the whole apartment, there's some pops of red, and I think it looks really nice. Oh. Thank you. Moving on to the coffee table, this is the little setup we have going on. I love this mug so much, but it kind of is impractical. It's so hard to wash. But we have a little nutcracker statue here and a red candle. I still really don't like how this whole thing is set up. I just really don't know what to do on how to make it look better. But for now, we have one stocking for baby Suki. Martin and I's are still in the mail, so they'll be there soon. And then right over here, we have the Christmas tree. I'll show it at nighttime because it looks better, and it's like really backlit right now, so you can't really see it on camera. But trust, we love her so much. This is our first Christmas tree together, of course, so it's very exciting. This is a little plug, but I did post a TikTok of setting up the Christmas tree, and I think it's a very cute vlog. So go watch it if you want. This is an update of the wall. We took out some prints because we thought it was too cluttered. So yeah, very sexy. Going into the bedroom, we added these little things because it was just a little too empty, but we didn't know what else to do. And this is our beautiful, sexy, awesome bed. I love the bedding so much. The dark color looks so good to me. I was a bit hesitant to get it though because I was scared that Suki's hair would be all over it, but it's not too bad at all. The pillow adds a little pop of color without being too much. This fan I think is so sick. I think it's a very interesting piece to look at. And then this is one of the nightstands. We have a really cute lamp right there. I feel like this space is very tranquil, which I was really hoping for. This wall over here is still completely bare, but over here we still have to set it up, but it's like a clothing rack. It's like one of those industrial pipe clothing racks. We plan on putting 2, and then Martin and I will have our each little section that we can showcase our little outfits. And this is another little spot of our bedroom. I have all of my sunglasses displayed here. I don't know. This part is still a work in progress, but it's happening. And then moving on to the bathroom, we recently just put in this dope ass industrial kind of inspired organization thing over the toilet. This is how we've decorated it so far. But yeah, that's what the apartment's looking like so far. It's still definitely a work in progress, but I think it's been a really, really cool experience, and it's been really nice to take you guys along with me, hear your feedback. I was looking at my YouTube channel earlier this morning and I was like, am I seeing this right? I'm 2,000 subscribers away from 800,000, and that is so That is mind-boggling to me because I don't know if you know, but I have been doing YouTube for 9 years now. And yeah, I basically grew up in this platform. So it's kind of crazy to see that many people like to watch my videos. I'm so very grateful for each and every single one of you. Thank you so much for clicking that little button and, you know, supporting what I do. I really, wow, like I can't cry. I can't cry. But it's so insane and so cool. I think in the last vlog, I told you guys that I was playing an iPad game called In the Psalm. It's like the BTS game and how obsessed I was with it. I found a new fixation too. It's called Superstar JYP Nation. It's so fun. And with this game, I kind of found out that I'm pretty good at rhythm games. So it's just been really cool to just play games. I feel like I don't use my iPad enough and I'm like so privileged to have one, right? So, I mean, yeah, I am being a little iPad kid right now, but I'm using it. So this is what our Christmas tree looks like right now. Isn't she beautiful? We have so many cutie ornaments on there, but if you look to the back, there are no ornaments, and we completely underestimated how many ornaments we needed to buy at first. So we bought some more, and then we also got some candy canes right here to also hang up. Hey, why is your body so long? Wait, did I already do the M or no? Fuck! Like, I'm doing all this.
Yeah.
I'm making these. It's almost midnight now, and I'm just gonna take off my makeup. I think today was a good day. I would say it was pretty productive. I did a lot of computer work that I couldn't show y'all, but a lot of exciting things are coming. When the lashes come off, you know the day is over. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you again so much to AF94 for sponsoring today's video. I really, really appreciate it. I appreciate you who's watching this. I can't believe again that we're almost at 800,000. I'm like, what the fuck? Okay, I love you so much. I'm gonna take the fattest sleep ever. I'm so tired today. Honestly, I think it's the weather, but yeah, I'm excited to go to sleep. My socials and everything are in the description box, and yeah. See you next time. Bye.
C'est l'histoire d'une fille pas trop compliquée pour une fois. Cherchant l'impossible, elle trouva que c'était une bonne idée.